Innov8 Academy is a specialized STEM program for middle school students that combines traditional education with hands-on learning in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Students spend part of their day at their base school and part at the Innov8 campus, where they explore 4 key areas: GoTech, engineering exploration, aviation sciences, and cybersecurity. Through these courses, students engage in real-world projects, develop problem-solving skills and critical thinking skills, and gain early exposure to high-demand STEM careers. Innov8 Academy helps students build the knowledge and confidence needed to succeed in an increasingly technology-driven world.
Learning at Innov8 is very different because it's not just English and science and math. When you're at Innov8, you get to do rocket science. You also get to experiment with tech, and you get to know a lot about the 3D printing and other devices. One of my favorite projects was 3D printing, and my 3D print was an S+J sign, and it's supposed to be like a mountain inside of my room. And the process of making it was like really difficult because you have to measure a bunch of shapes and sizes, and also you have to make correct calculations so then you can be able to finally 3D print it. What made me want to join Innov8 is because I love the technology here because of my future career, which is epidemiology. Epidemiology involves studying diseases and knowing what causes them and perhaps maybe finding a cure.
We allow the students to experience a multitude of different topics. Most of our topics are existing in local industries currently, so the materials and the experiences that the students get are locally based career opportunities. So if it's running from myself in robotic systems to Mr. Rumley in engineering and Mr. Stroud in GoTech and Ms. Garcia in aviation, they cannot receive this type of education anywhere else in the system, and as far as I know, in the region. So everything that we offer is intended to give them experience in a lot of different areas that perhaps can lead them to make some career decisions in the future that will keep them local.